I'm Dennis from SDCentrum. Our team helps companies build, implement and maintain business solutions based on Microsoft stack. Building and maintaining strong customer relationship is crucial for success in today's highly competitive business landscape. And Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM emerges as a comprehensive solution that empowers organizations to optimize their customer interactions and drive business growth. Implementing Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM can benefit a wide range of companies across various industries. Let's explore some of the key sectors that can reap substantial rewards from powerful CRM platform. Group 1. Sales and marketing. Companies with robust sales and marketing teams can leverage Dynamics 365 CRM to streamline their lead management, opportunity tracking, and sales processes. The platform provides comprehensive insight into customer behaviors, preferences, and buying patterns, enabling businesses to deliver personalized experience and targeted marketing campaigns. Dynamics 365 CRM empowers sales teams with tools for pipeline management, forecasting, and performance tracking, ultimately leading to increased conversion rates and revenue growth. Group number 2. Customer support and services. Organizations that prioritize exceptional customer support and services can greatly benefit from Dynamics 365 CRM because of the service management capabilities. The platform enables companies to centralize customer data, track services requests, and automate case management. By providing a unified view of customers' interactions, Dynamics 365 CRM empowers customer support teams to deliver timely and personalized assistance, resulting in improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Group number 3. Professional services. Professional services firms such as consulting, legal, and engineering companies rely on strong client relationships for their success. Dynamics 365 CRM offers functionalities specifically tailored to these sectors, enabling firms to manage client engagement, track billable hours, and streamline project management. The platform facilitates effective collaboration among teams, enhances communication with clients, and supports efficient resource allocation, leading to improved project outcomes and client satisfaction. Group number 4. Retail and e-commerce. In these highly competitive retail and e-commerce sectors, understanding customer preferences and delivering personalized experience is crucial. Dynamics 365 CRM provides a holistic view of customer interactions across multiple touchpoints, including physical stores, websites, and social media. This enables retailers to segment their customer base, deliver targeted marketing campaigns, and provide specific recommendations. By leveraging Dynamics 365 CRM, retailers can build stronger customer relationship, drive repeat purchase, and increase customer lifetime value. And final group number 5, manufacturing and distribution. Companies in the manufacturing and distribution sector often face the challenges of managing complex supply chain and ensuring efficient order fulfillment. Dynamics 365 CRM offers features for managing customers' orders, tracking inventory, and coordinating with the suppliers. The platform enhances visibility into the supply chain, facilitates collaboration among the stakeholders, and enables efficient order management, ultimately leading to improved operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. So, in conclusion, companies across diverse industries can benefit significantly from implementing Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. Businesses can strengthen their customer relationships, drive operational efficiency, and achieve sustainable growth by leveraging its comprehensive features for sales, marketing, customer service, and project management. And finally, it's important to note that successful implementation of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM requires careful planning and customization to align with each company's specific needs. Working with experienced CRM consultants can help organizations maximize the platform capabilities and ensure a smooth implementation. And our team will help you implement and maintain Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. So contact me, Dennis, today to discuss this further. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. See you.